Hey, what's going on, everyone? Spoon Saini Jamini here, back here with another video. So on today's session, we're going to check out the food manufacturing and producers companies that are listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So they are 13 firms that are listed under the food and producer sector of the JSE. Ne? So, namely, these companies are AVI, and then there's AH Invest, and then there's Astral Foods, and then there's Clover, Crook Brothers, Oceanic Group, Pioneer Foods, the Quantum Group, RCL Foods, Road Foods, Sovereign Foods, Tiger Brands, as well as Tongaat Hewlett. But then we are not going to check them out all because there's a bit too much of them. They will just take pretty much of our time. So we're going to look at a few from the sector. So you're going to look at Astral Foods, AVI, Oceanic Group, Tiger Brands, RCL Foods, and lastly, we're going to look at the Road Foods. So we are just going to jump in straight to the technicals here. So the first one we're going to check out here is the Astral Food Group Limited. So Astral Food has been going down for some time now, but it found support somewhere on this level here, and then it formed this bullish triangle pattern, telling us that it's possible that the market it will move targeting the first target of 163 rand, and the next target from there would be the 175 rand, and it can go as high as 196. So this is a weekly chart that we are looking at here. So it's also telling us that this bullish candle that is here, this bullish candle here is telling us that the possibility of a move higher, it is quite possible that the movement will go higher. So the next one we are going to look at here is AVI. Let's check out AVI. AVI Limited. So AVI again here, it has been going on down for some time, and then it find supports here, and then it started to move higher. It went down, and then now it's on this same pattern as the previous one. It built this bullish triangle pattern, telling us that the market will try to move higher, targeting the first target of 81 rand, and the next one would be 86 bucks. Even it can go even as high as 96 rand. So AVI and Astral Foods, they are looking pretty much promising and bullish. And looking at the next one is the Oceanic Group. Oceana. Where is Oceana now? Oh yeah, Oceana. Looking at Oceana. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Oceana Group. So Oceana as well, it has been moving in a downward pattern, but now it found enough support and then built this huge bullish head and shoulder pattern. It's a reverse bullish head and shoulder pattern, and bearing in mind this is a weekly chart as well. So after this bullish head and shoulder pattern, there is this triangle formation here as well, telling us that the breakouts of the channel of the trend line here, the markets will move higher to the 79 rand level, even as high as 89 bucks, and then it can push to the previous high that it made here around this level at around about 96 rand 28. So the next one after Oceana, we are going to look at Tiger Brands. Tiger Brands, here is Tiger Brands. Yeah, here is Tiger Brands. My system is a bit slow today. I do not know what's going on with it. So on Tiger Brands, the markets went down, né? And then it has been consolidating for quite some time now on this box range here that we are seeing here, on this box range here. So the possibility of a move higher it's still it's still high here, because a breakout of this box range will push the market first to target the 232 bucks level, and then it can go as high as the 259 level, and then it can push the previous high that it was on February on March 4th last year, on to March 4th 2019, the previous high of like 289 bucks. So Tiger Brands as well is looking pretty much attractive after it breaks out this box range at about 223 bucks. So the next one after Tiger Brands, let us look at RCL Foods. RCL Foods. RCL Foods Limited. So RCL Foods Limited, this one it has been moving down, and then it find enough supports, and then it has been moving sideways, but in an upwards motion. But I'm seeing that it has to come down somewhere to this green level, green zone here. Then it will find enough buyers from here to push the market higher to that 10 bucks level, and then the next target would be 11 rand 43, and can push as high as like 12 rand 89. So the last company we are going to look at is Rhodes Foods, né? It's RFG. Let us check out RFG. RFG. Let's see what Rhodes Foods has for us in store. So Rhodes Foods, this one is a bit tricky, né? Because it's been going down on a downwards momentum, but also itself it has this like bullish triangle formation. So this one is a falling wedge, né? They call it a falling wedge. So perhaps also this one can move higher from here. It can move higher from here, and then it will try to have like targets. Like the first target here would be maybe after it breaks out would be somewhere around here, the 143 level, and then the next one would be around here, the highest point that it went. So I have these two targets from this one after it breaks out. It's the 143 and then the 181 rand level. So guys, I hope these breakdowns will be useful in the coming weeks, in the coming months. We just have to bear with these ones because they have been moving in a sideways motion. Yes, so you can follow me on TradingView at Sbo Dlamini, and on Facebook is Interprec Asset Management, and then on Twitter my business handle is Interprec Asset M, and then my personal handle of course is Sbo _Dlamini. So guys, thank you for this one. I will definitely see you on the next video. So the disclaimer: trading CFDs and leverage products that involves significant level of losses. So do not trade money you could not afford to lose. You cannot invest money that will change your lifestyle in a long run or in a short period of time. So thank you guys. I'll definitely see you and check you out on the next video. So thanks a lot guys, it means a lot. Bye bye.